Now let's see how to add platformer animations. What should we do? Well, for that, go to the Object tab and double-click Player. Then select Add an Animation. See, the animation window reappeared. Let's name Animation 1 as Run. Next, click Add. Then we will be redirected to the Downloads folder. From the Downloads folder, choose all the Run animations by holding the Control key and open them. Click OK on the dialog box. Also, click on the loop to repeat the animations continuously. Wanna see a preview? Okay, so click on the preview button in the animation window. Good, our player animation seems fine. So click OK. Next is the jump animation. To add that, click on Add an Animation. Name the animation number 2 as Jump and then click Add. Now from Downloads, choose all the jump animations by pressing the Control key and open them. Click OK on the dialog box and tick in the loop checkbox. Let's see a preview now. So click on the preview button. Let's adjust the FPS to 10 to slow down the jump animation a bit. Alright, click OK. Now let's add one more animation, the climb animation. For that, click on Add an Animation. Name the animation number 3 as Climb and then click Add. Then from Downloads, choose all the climb animations by pressing the Control key and open them. Click OK on the dialog box and tick in the loop checkbox. So let's watch a preview of our climb animation also. Cool? Click on the preview button. Oh, the animation speed is too much. Drop it down to 2. Perfect. So click OK and then press Apply. The first mummy to receive a passport was King Ramses II. His passport indicated that he was a king. Well, let's start coding the animations for our platformer player. In order to do that, go to Game Events next to the game scene and click on Add a new event. Then click on Add Condition. First, we want our player to move. For that, search Moving and choose Is Moving Condition. Assign player object to it and click OK. We have one more condition, right? So click Add Condition, search Floor and select Is on Floor option and assign player object to it. Good. Click OK. Now we are going to give the right movement animation. For that, click Add Condition and search Key. Choose the key pressed condition. Then type and assign the right key and click OK. Alright, now to add actions for the conditions, click Add Action, search Change and choose Change the Animation option. Assign object to it, give operator equal to set2 and choose value 1, that is the run animation. Then click OK. Let's add the next one, shall we? For that, click Add Action, search Flip and choose Flip the Object Horizontally option. As object, select Player and click OK. Now we have to code for moving to the right side. For that, click on Add a new event. Then just right click on the first event and copy it. Good. After that, right click on the new event and paste it here. Then click on the right, type left there and choose the key as left. Also in Action, in the dialog box for flipping action, click on No and change it to yes. Now it's time for the stationary or not moving condition. Let's add the codes. So click on Add Condition and search Moving. Select the Is Moving condition, assign player object and switch on the invert condition. Then click OK. As the action of the above condition, search Change and choose Change the animation action. Assign player, set operator to set to, and as value give 0 corresponding to idle animation, and then press OK. Now, shall we have a preview in order to check our code? Well, for that, click on the play button. When I press the right key on the keyboard, the player moves to the right side. And when I press the left key, the player moves to the left side. And when I do not press any key, the player is in the idle condition. Well, that means all our codes are working in the perfect condition. Did you know 𝗟𝗶𝗲𝗲, a goddess who assumed the form of a snake in ancient Egypt, was thought to guard the Valley of Kings? Any robbers who messed with the tombs were said to be blinded or poisoned by her, according to the folklore. Now let us code jump animation. Are you in? Okay. For that, click on Add a new event, Add Condition and search Jump. Choose the condition is jumping. Assign object as player and click OK. To add action, first click Add Action, then search Change and choose Change the animation. Set object to player and operator to set to. Then change the value to 2 and click OK. But before wrapping up the session, let's see one more preview. So click on the play button. When I press the space key, the player jumps. Alright, now close the preview and go back to the game scene. Good going, dear. Continue with this momentum and we will soon find a way to escape out of the pyramid.